Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do something like this or something like this. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment Crazy Fam down below, and then I'll know.
So let's get started.
For this craft, you will need some crayons. They don't have to be new, but I'm just using new ones. And then you want to have a printed picture, ballerina with an umbrella. Crayons are going to flow over it, kind of what I showed you just a second ago. And then you will also need some glue to glue the crayons onto the canvas. You also need a blow dryer. You need a canvas. First, you're going to open your crayon box and choose the colors you want. Put them in ice cold water so the wrapper will go away because it will look way nicer when the wrapper is gone. Try to fit as many colors as you want. I'm doing the rainbow, so I'm doing from red to pink. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the water. Let them stay in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the crayons are in the water, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my ballerina. It's been about 5 to 10 minutes and I think we're ready to take the wrapper off. Now I'm going to glue my ballerina to the canvas. I'm using Elmer's school glue. I'm just using the bottle because I think it would work better. I'm also spreading it with my hands. That looks good. I'm now going to lay my crayons how I want them to be. You now have to wait until the crayons are fully dried on canvas, which takes about 10 to 20 minutes. I am now going to blow dry the crayons on the canvas, so it's going to drip down. I'm going to hold a cup over it so it won't drip on the umbrella. I'm now done with blow drying my crayons. I love my new artwork. It looks really cool because right here it's like just a little rain, and then right here it's like gushing down, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye!